campaigns that have reduced the amount of dirt and plastic get carried away by wind and water during rain season. Ladies and gentlemen, Malika faces difficult challenges with our environment.
The community members do not understand the importance of looking well after our environment. We do cleaning campaigns that have resulted in reducing the zones of mosquitoes that cause malaria.
We help community members to erect fire guards during dry season to minimize and control fires. We do planting of trees and grasses in some areas to control erosion.
We are taking it to be our responsibility to conserve the environment.